Hey, it's Tuesday, August the 24th. My name is Kat. I have your astrological forecast for today. But before we get started, we are going to become balanced, aligned, and connected to our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity, all the darkness flowing out of our bodies. It's being replaced by this beautiful white light made up of white light, love, and the will to good. It's filling our entire bodies. And then it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. This bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher selves, we are going to say our Sun in Virgo affirmation. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. We're going to say the affirmation together, and then we're going to stay in this space connected with our higher self for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. Good. Good way to start this Tuesday, because we're going to need our deep breaths today. It went downhill fast. I hope we got our work done in the last couple of days. We were supposed to I hope we made some progress on balancing and harmonizing our relationships, of getting our long-term goals in order, our financial strategies, because today, oh my goodness, Becky. Anyway, today we have the moon is in Aries. So first of all, this energy of the moon in Aries is very aggressive, very edgy, very impulsive, very forceful. Okay, you get the idea there? And then we have these transits. We have Mercury in Virgo opposing Neptune in Pisces, and then we have a little transit, the moon conjuncts Pisces. Neptune in Pisces. So any good intentions from yesterday, they just went out the window. Now everyone is suspicious of everyone else, and with good cause. Today we really have to be conscious of who we are. We have to be conscious of our ethics, of our ideals. Because there are those of us out there who are really being forceful about manipulating us, about controlling us, so that we will buy their story. They are forcing their opinion on us. They won't even let us say anything, give our own opinion, and they're telling us little fibs, little stories, just to have us buy into their story. And you know what's going on here. To buy into their story, we probably will have to compromise ourselves. So be very careful of that today. Also be very careful if we're the ones trying to manipulate others to buy our story. Today is a day to honor everyone where they're at, but man, we do not want to play. We do not want to play with anyone who is trying to suck our power away from us and use it to control and manipulate us. This could happen too, since we have Venus in Libra right now. This could play out today in a narcissistic relationship that we have as well. Our partner is really, really pummeling us, really using power over us, trying to control us. So be careful of that. And with this energy, Sun in Virgo, embracing our true selves, do not allow anyone to compromise who we truly are today. So that is our note for Tuesday. It's going to be, this energy is here today and tomorrow. My advice is to duck and cover. Just stay out of everyone's way. We have more than enough work to do, don't we? In balancing our home, our environment, our relationships. Keep our nose to the grindstone. Just keep checking off our to-do list of things that we need to get done. And then later in the week, on Thursday, the energy will shift again, and it'll be a little bit more supportive. But today and tomorrow, and what do the guides have to say? What does the universe have to say about today, Tuesday? Come to the edge. Well, the guides say we have to take a chance on ourselves. We have to embrace who we truly are, and we have to take that person all the way to the edge and not let anyone compromise who we are today. Now, we may have to wear a mask just so that we can survive the interchange, the discussion, the attack, the verbal attack. But we come to the edge. We're going to be our true, authentic selves, and we're not going to let anyone or anything compromise that today. Be looking for some kind of indication from the universe today on how we can see through this illusion that's being placed in front of us. Look for connections with spirit. Spirit is here to help us see through all the glamour, all the bullshit. So all we got to do is look around, be alert. We'll see our answer in an email, or maybe in a street sign, or some words in a song that we hear. It's going to be something like that. But as soon as we experience it, we are going to know that this is a little bit of information we're getting from the universe to help us get through this quagmire of illusion and glamour and oh my gosh. Whew. And then breathe. Right? Stay out of the fray. Come back to spirit. Come to our safe space, in our centered space, and connect with spirit today. That's what spirit says is our best strategy today. Stay out of the outer world and pay attention to our inner world and what's going on there today. Okay, happy Tuesday. Batten down the hatches. Put on your spiritual armor. It could be a feisty day for some of us today. Check out my retrograde season video if you haven't seen that yet. Check out Sun in Virgo. The whole monthly forecast is out. Check out your 15-minute guided meditation for the Sun in Virgo. That could help us today a lot to get through this, since Spirit is suggesting we do take time to meditate today and every day, okay? And look forward to my Uranus retrograde video coming out tomorrow, Wednesday. I'll have that, and that'll just give you a synopsis of just your Uranus retrograde and not the whole kit and caboodle. Okay, have a great Tuesday. Batten down the hatches. Life is lived from the inside out. Namaste.